liberty for America. Liberty, Bartholdi based her on a Grecian goddess. That Grecian goddess is named Libertas. Libertas, however, a sword, he gave her a torch. Instead of a shield, she came. Instead of a helmet, she's wearing a crown. The crown has 7 points. The 7 points represent the 7 continents and the 7 seas. So she is liberty enlightening the world. She's dressed in a toga. The toga is a